Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to replace the battery sensor on this 2016 Honda Accord. This will apply from 2013 to 2017. Normally this will trigger your check charging system light or warning on the dash if you replace the alternator or if it's just gone bad in general. Let's go ahead and show you how to replace it. Alright, so all you need is a ratchet and a 10mm socket, preferably a deep 10mm socket. As you can see, we have the check charging system warning on the dash. Again, this is going to be related to the alternator or the charging system in general, as well as the battery sensor. So we've already replaced the alternator. We're going to go ahead and tackle the battery sensor. Alright, so the battery sensor is actually on the negative terminal of the battery. So what this is responsible for is that your alternator in this car is computer controlled, and this allows it to charge when it needs to, and then it runs at a regular, 12 volts or whatever. The voltages will fluctuate. So essentially what it does is it controls the charging system. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unplug this connector right here. All you have to do is just push down and pull outward. Alright. And then you're going to have a 10mm here and a 10mm here. So you'd want a deep 10mm socket for this, but in my case I don't have one on me right now. So what you can do, a little trick, is just stick it on there and kind of like not have it go all the way in. And we'll just go ahead and break it loose. Okay, and we'll do the same thing for this one right here. Might want to do this one first, since it'll be locked into the battery. So this one's held in with a nut. Okay, and this should just come right off, just like that. And then on the battery, just pull it right off. Just give it a little twist. And this is the part right here. We'll link a part number in the description. But this is the part. We'll go ahead and reinstall it. So let's go ahead and put this on there first. And then I'm going to go ahead and make sure this is positioned properly. Okay, I'll tighten this up here first since it'll be a lot easier, and make this tightening that a lot easier as well. Okay, and then we'll just go ahead and put the nut on there. Alright, once that's tightened up, we'll just go ahead and insert the connector here. You should hear a click. That's it, we're done. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and start the car up. Alright, so we have no warning lights other than the seatbelt light right now. But as you can see in the middle screen here, there's no check charging system. So looks like we resolved the issue. Thanks for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we just showed you how to replace the battery sensor on this 2016 Honda Accord. Again, it's going to apply from 2013 to 2017. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.